This is a customized Chevrolet Camaro, and well, on first look, I kind of like it, but should they have done this to this Camaro, or should they have kept it stock? So that's a very strange question. It's subjective. Some people will agree, some people will not. Anyway, let's have a closer look. So you have these really interesting headlights now. You have a xenon light in the middle, and I think surrounded by LEDs or something. Then you have this pretty much simple grille. Now, as for the front splitter, that's a little more prominent. There's no front bumper. There are grills there. Then you have the hood or the bonnet, whichever you call it. That has vents there to let the air out from the engine. The cabin has also been completely restored. You have a huge sound system at the back, sport seats, completely modern looking interior, and I believe, looking at the AC vents, I think it's from the first generation modern Camaro. I like this logo on the headrest though. The seats, of course, the seat belts and everything. That's also nice. So you have a full harness seat belts, not just regular, 3-point seat belts. Now, looking at the wheels, those are not bad actually. They're simple chrome. They're not too complicated. And there's just some letters here. It says 7.4 liter V8. Damn, that's a big engine. So that was the signature engines that cars used to have from America in the past. Looking at the taillights, they've been redesigned, and luckily they haven't been designed to be too modern. They're just fine. They actually go with the car. So on one hand, I like the modification that it's not too radical, it's not too modern, it's not something that doesn't go with the car. But on the other hand, I wish that this car looked stock. So it's actually up to the owner. If restoring the car as to stock would give a greater selling price, then it's great. But for some cars it's not. So if you make it into something unique, maybe it's there's a chance you might sell it for more than it's worth. So I'm mixed on this car actually. And of course, some cars which are classics, they should always be kept stock, like something which is rare, or something which is really expensive or prestigious, like classic Ferraris, or